Today's objective is to work with sales and sales data. So these are the data that I am working with from January to December. So let's see what the data contains. It contains order ID, product, quantity ordered, price each, order date and purchase addresses. So let's see. So here I am importing the libraries, then these files are present in this directory. So what I am doing is I am using this OS library and I am listing the directory. Then I am printing all the files. As you can see, we are having these many files, and after that I am creating a file name all data, and I'll be combining all the sales in this. And after that I'm checking its shape has been changed. So now we are using this dataset for our further analysis. These are some data cleaning steps and formatting steps, like checking the data types, checking the top 5 values, not top 5, first 5 values, and after that checking the null values, then dropping the null values. These are the basic steps that I am doing. These are also called data preparing. Then our objective is to get the best month for sales. So to get the best month we need to access the month. So how can we access the month? We can access the month from order date. As you can see that here this 04 is the month. So what I am doing is I am splitting this one on the basis of slash, and I am checking its 0th index. So with this logic I have created a function called month, and I am passing order date, and I am applying function month and creating a column called month. So here after that I want to convert month in integer so that I can work on that. But the problem is month is of object type, and here one row is called order date type is also there, so it will create problem. It can't be converted to int. So what I am doing is I am filtering on the basis of ordered those rows having order date, so I am not taking that one. So after that what I have done is I have changed it into integer, and then again I am checking. So I am checking it that it has converted into integer. Now for sales we need price and quantity. Price can be in decimal, so we are converting it into float type, and quantity as integer. Now we all know that sales is equals to quantity multiplied by price. So that's what I'm doing here. Now we have created 3 columns called month, sales. Sorry, 2 columns, month and sales. Now we are grouped by on the basis of month and sales and finding the sales. So here I have visualized, I have plotted the graph, and I got to know that at the month of December followed by October we are having maximum sales. So this month can be considered as the best month. Which city has the maximum order? So to access city we can use the purchase address. So here you can see that these are separated by commas, and its first index 0, after that first index like dollars, Boston, Los Angeles, these are the city names. So what I am doing, I am using the same logic over here. I am splitting on the basis of comma and accessing its first index to get the city. Same I have done with this function, and I have made a column called city, and then I'm grouping it and finding the count. So here is the plot. So from this I got to know that San Francisco followed by Los Angeles, and after that New York City has the maximum sale. Now if we want to know that what time has been the where the maximum product was purchased, or we want to advertise at that time, so what we can do is we can use that similar logic like splitting, but here we can also use another logic, like we can use this function date time, converting this order date into date time, and after that we can access the hour. So we are using this, and after that we have created two list and we are appending. Then this is the graph that we got. So from here we can see that from 12 p.m. to 7, like this one, 12 to 7 we have the maximum sales, like here it is increasing, so there is the best time. After that we want to know which product is sold the most. So here I have created a plot using product and quantity order, and from here we got to know that AAA batteries 4 pack has the maximum sales. After that AA batteries, this can be because of price, and this was confirmed by this analysis. Like when we have checked the mean price of each one, then we got to know that triple batteries has the least price. So we have made the plot, and to make this plot I have used function called twinx. This function helps you to create a dual axis plot. So here we got that this one, that AAA batteries has the maximum and has the least price. So more the sales are, the less the price are, and vice versa. After that we want to know that what are the products that are sold together. So to know this, what we are doing is we are keeping only order ID that are duplicate. So here we created a only keeping the duplicate IDs, and after that we are creating a group. We are joining order ID. We are joining product based on order ID using this function called join. And these are the grouped column that we got. And here the one more problem is that we have got duplicate entries. So we need to remove one of them. So we are removing duplicates. After that we are plotting the graph and got this one, like AAA batteries 4 pack are brought together, and then lightning charging cables are brought together. Same graph I have plot with the plotly. So that's all with my analysis. Thank you so much.